Alright folks, welcome back. This will be video number 7, BMW E90 diff rebuild. Now I've just finished the last video with basically needing to put axle seals in and the axles back in. I've just set up the dial gauge so we can check our backlash. So pretty much I've done the axle seals are in behind there and put the axles in. And now looking at our dial gauge, I'll just zero this up. It's pretty close, I think. We should be looking for around about 0.1. This gauge, if we can get a focus. Its range is 0.01 per division. Come around to about there. What we can see with this dodgy camera, apologies for that, but we are getting pretty much spot on where we need to be. 0.09. 0.09 for our backlash is good. So we'll just get rid of this one. And we've marked up the gears. Do the gear pattern check. Everything's all come up perfectly alright. Now looking at the driven side, and wear patterns are looking pretty good. A bit hard to see in the video. We're getting some fairly consistent marks on the drive side. And on the reverse side, as you hear the rain coming down. Either way, these patterns are all looking very good, as you can see. So I'm pretty much ready to put the cover on the back of this, put some oil in it, put it back into the vehicle and go for a test drive. Sounding a lot better than it did when it first came apart. So, well, thanks all, appreciate you watching, and that'll probably be just about the last video for this one. I'll get it back in the vehicle and then hopefully I might do another last one with a bit of a test drive. Thanks for watching. See you next time.